Kraft, owner of STUDIOetc. Well, this is a booth for Armstrong products, ceiling products, and the actual product that we're using to make the booth, we call SmartBoard. It's the center core of this is 100% post-consumer waste, and then we are able to image on the surface. And this flatbed printer has no VOCs, is UV cured, and has the ability to create a sort of whimsical booth that we're seeing in the background. Now, we have done anything from your traditional back wall to the cutouts that you see here. Very stable product, 90 pounds per square inch of crush proof, fire rated, has the ability to be cut and modified. We call it converting. If you see here, we've put notches into it where the board actually is able to fold back onto itself, and then it gets welded together, and it creates shelving, different structures that have different uses in the structural strength of the booth itself. The booth project. This is a 1966 Volkswagen Micro Mini bus, which we originally started right around the time when Woodstock had its 40th anniversary. The concept was given to us of having a Woodstock theme, and we decided to do the bus, and the ceiling power came out of it, which is on the side. So we actually had to create the artwork from vector art, which means from scratch. It's not a photo, but it's the exact size of a micro minibus, and it has different elements of it where, if you see in the front, we have a flower, which the flower is a product tree, and that's going to have the Armstrong ceiling tiles on it. It'll have a little demo station, and it's just more of the flower power, ceiling power theme that went on with it. The bus actually has a locker, storage locker in the back, which is converted like in this function, which we made all the corners and the sides. Everything that came into this came in on a skid flat. The weight of the actual booth itself is less than 500 pounds, which traditional weight normally would run for this size booth upwards of 6,000 pounds to maybe 7,000 pounds. So there's a huge cost savings from the drayage cost part of it, which is from the dock in, and then on the shipping part of it, and then the actual financial cost to the client. So there's a huge amount of savings going green.